In this video, you will learn how to print a template. As with the print report, you'll go to Reports and now click Print Templates. You can fill out the information about the company, put in a company logo, toggle what you want to include, pick the orientation, and even merge pages. Click Done when you're finished. The print template will pop up with detailed information about the products, the diagram, and finally a quotation. If you click on the gear icon, you can head into Signature and Settings, click on the type of signature you want, have the client sign, and click back. As you scroll down, you can toggle what is included on your template on or off. When you're ready, click Done. If you want to send this PDF file to someone, you click on the Upload icon and the Mail icon is right there.